I'm Punjabi. Nobody can say anything to me. I will shut that down.
That's a perfect reply to all those creepy men.
Yes. So when I want to discuss my secrets and my drama and all that, like, who else do I have except my mom and sister? Like, I would go back to failures I've had in my life and tell myself not to take it so hard, you know, because it's a redirection. When you don't get what you want.
So this is the spicy questions with Mirchi. And we have featuring Miss Grand International 2024 Rachel Gupta with us. अगर तो आप आंसर करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को, then perfectly fine. But if you don't, then you have to have a bite of a chili. ठीक है? Okay.
So I hope you've asked me some easy questions.
Okay. What is your worst nightmare?
Getting lost in the ocean and being surrounded by sharks. I've seen too many shark movies and I never go on boats because I'm sure that at some point, if there's some kind of mishap, that I will get stranded in the middle of the ocean and there's gonna be sharks around me. That's my biggest nightmare. Actually, I have bad dreams about this.
That's scary.
I'm really scared.
That's really scary.
Really scared.
So no chilies.
No, the chilies I might have to deal with today.
Yes. Pick the next question.
Okay. All right, this one really wants to come out.
Ever faced a casting couch situation?
Not yet, thank God, but I'm sure it's gonna happen. But I have faced lots of creepy men and who make inappropriate comments, you know, and who just say uncomfortable things. Like, that's a part of it. You're gonna meet so many annoying people who say inappropriate things to you. That's a part of it. But I'm Punjabi. Nobody can say anything to me. I will shut that down immediately.
Oh my God. That's a perfect reply to all those creepy men.
Yes. Don't mess with me because I will bring out the Punjabi power.
Oh my God. Oh my God. The next question.
Okay. So far, not so bad.
Yes. Okay, this is a nice one. Any celebrity you would like to go on a date with? Any Bollywood or Bollywood celebrity?
Oh my goodness.
Hot answers incoming.
Wow. You really want me to name them?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
See, your manifestation game is quite strong. Who knows? She goes on a date.
What do I do?
You have to answer.
See, the thing is, I don't know their personalities, you know?
It's okay.
I need...
You have to answer.
I think I'm gonna...
This answer behind the cameras?
Because, you know, because I cannot say the name because what if it comes true and then they see this interview and then they think that I was obsessed with them all along.
But that's, you know, a nice thing. You'll go on a date with him.
He'll get to go on a date with me.
Oh, yes.
Lucky him.
Yeah, he has to be a lucky guy. So let's cheer it up for the lucky
I'm eating a chili for this one. Do I have to eat the whole chili?
No, just a bite. Baki aapki marzi. Is it spicy?
No, it's like...
अंदर का पंजाबी बाहर आ गया है.
It's like capsicum.
साहिल कौन सी चिलीज लेके आए हो ये? Okay. Now this is going to be very nice. Tell us a secret that your mother, your sister, and your father doesn't know.
Oh, this is difficult.
Oh my God.
They know all my secrets, really.
Everyone has some secrets.
Okay.
ठीक है? No cover-ups.
Okay. Let me think. But you know, I don't have any friends.
Okay.
So when I want to discuss my secrets and my drama and all that, like, who else do I have except my mom and sister? Like, we discuss. We're like a coven, the three of us.
Okay, so any gossip that uncle doesn't know.
Oh.
No, that's going to be a mystery dar.
I can't take any names, alright? But I was very in love with a celebrity and we were like together for a long time. But I cannot.
Please capture his reaction.
We were, I can't say who.
A typical father spoke, it's not true.
He's in denial.
I get it.
He's in denial.
Oh my God. I was about to say कि आपके साइड के किसी रिलेटिव को मैंने ब्लॉक कर दिया और something like that.
वो तो यार करना पड़ता है कभी-कभी किसी को. I've blocked so many people who give me like negativity, you know.
You believe in Nazar, right? You told me.
Yes, I believe in Nazar.
She was the one कि मैंने ही बोला था बताना मत प्लीज किसी को भी कि मैं जा रही हूँ.
Yes.
Next question.
I can still taste that chili from earlier.
Have a
days.
chocolate.
You know, I'm pretending to be strong.
If you get an option to rectify your past, what would it be?
I would. I think I would go back to failures I've had in my life and tell myself not to take it so hard. You know, because it's a redirection. When you don't get what you want, it's because God is taking you somewhere better.
Yeah.
So I would go back to moments in my life where I felt upset that I didn't get exactly what I wanted and say, it's okay. You're gonna go exactly where you're meant to go. That's what I would do.
Okay.
I would just give myself this little piece of advice.
Very nice. चुन-चुन के chips उठा रही है.
The ones that are meant to be, you know.
When was the last time you cried?
Last night.
Why?
Because I met my whole family for the first time after a long time for Christmas. Yes. And we were all just sitting together and catching up and celebrating Christmas together. You know, they had this whole thing planned with, we were doing White Elephant, like a gift exchange thing. And I started crying so much. And I just missed them a lot. And being with them made me remember what's really important in life, you know?
Next question, please.
Last night.
So this is going to be the last question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make it a good one.
Yes. You chose it. If you're kidnapped and you're allowed to make just one call, who would it be?
My dad. Because he will do the assy-tassy of the kidnappers. He'll be like, tum, beep, beep, beep.
Punjabi papa bahar aa jate hain.
Yeah. So I think the kidnappers would get freaked out and they'd be like, गलत लड़की को उठा लिया है. इसके dad थोड़े, you know, थोड़े ज़्यादा aggressive है, इसको वापस दे देते हैं. कोई non-controversial लड़की ले आते हैं.
Rachel, हम आपकी बहुत सारी pictures with your sister and your mom देखते हैं. And you said काफी gossip वगैरह करते रहते हो आप इन दोनों के साथ ही.
Yes.
Anything you want to say to your father right now?
To my dad?
Yes.
I love you. Thank you for arranging my whole homecoming here. He's the dream manager and dream father for any girl. He gave me when I was little a little thing, like a little mug or something, and it said, the only man a girl can trust is her father.
True.
He gave that to me and it's my most prized possession, and it's true. It's true. He's the only man I would ever trust.
These were some questions for Rachel, जो कि हमारे listeners ने हमारी audience से पूछे थे, and I guess they are satisfied. So Rachel, मिर्ची की तो एक ही बात पे खाई तो why not have a chocolate?
Yes, a kiss for me.